Hey everyone, welcome back to another video on my YouTube channel. Sorry about my hair, it's super messy today. I'm having a bad headache. So, what I'm going to do today is slime versus squishies. And I'm going to say which one I think is better, and you guys are going to comment which one you think is better. Okay, so first round, here we come. So the first round is, let's see. Yeah, it's ice cream. Okay, so this is the ice cream squishy. This is a pretty good squishy. Oh, that is one. I could just do this for hours. Okay, so it's a squishy. It's so squishy. Out of 10, I'd probably rate an 8. So pretty good. Okay, and it's slime. Let's be back. I want to poking is probably a 6 because you can poke it, but it's not amazing at poking. Stretching, probably a 6 again. So this time altogether is a 12. So because 6 and 6 is 12, and this is 16, so the squishy one on that round. So that one would have that one, so the sound goes over there. Okay, so next one is the strawberry slime. So this is the strawberry slime. So I probably rate this probably 7. It's got slime over it. Yeah, I'd probably rate this probably 7, this one, so leave that there. Oh, again, the pokiness isn't great on this. That was 14. This I'm probably going to give a 4, because it reeks as well. So that's an 8, and that's a 14. So again, the squishy one on that round. Okay, so we're going to let this right left. So this is the unicorn one. So this is the unicorn squishy. This is my stress ball. It's better than nothing. Hey, watch this. Bigger and so cool how it just goes down. And I love the texture of it. It's a bit muddy though because obviously it's not how slime over it, but it's really good. Okay, so that's squishy. I probably rated 7. So this is 14. And this slime. Whoa, this is an amazing slime. You can poke it, yay! So what you stretch? Yeah, you can't stretch it, but you can poke it. So this time I probably do rate an 8. So 16 and what did the squishy get then? We've got 16 and I'm pretty sure it's 14 because I think that said 7. That's either 14 or 16. So they're the squishy one. So all the squishies went. So the squishies won this game. I hope you enjoyed it. Give it a thumbs up, subscribe. I'll see you guys in the video. Peace out.